Long ago, in a small village near a deep forest, there lived a brave hunting dog named Iron. When he was young, Iron was fast and strong. He could chase rabbits through tall grass and catch wild deer with ease. Every hunter in the village knew his name. His master was proud, often patting his head and saying, "No beast can escape my Iron." Those were the golden days. The wind in the forest smelled of victory, and Iron's heart was full of fire. But time, silent and cruel, walked beside him. His black fur turned gray around the ears. His sharp teeth became dull, and his steps grew heavy. Still, Iron refused to rest. He followed his master every morning, ready to hunt again. He wanted to prove that courage could last forever, even if strength could not. One cold morning, the hunting team entered the forest. The air was wet with mist, and the ground smelled of fallen leaves. Suddenly, from the bushes, a wild boar burst out. Its tusks were long and shining, its eyes red with anger. The hunters shouted, their arrows flying in every direction. Iron's heart jumped with the memory of youth. Without thinking, he leaped forward like he used to, the sound of the forest fading behind him. He caught the boar by the ear, his teeth pressing hard. For a moment he felt young again. But age has its truth. His bite was weak. The boar twisted and kicked, breaking free. It ran into the shadows, leaving Iron lying on the muddy ground, his breath quick and shallow. His body trembled, not from fear but from weakness. The world seemed to move slower than before. The hunters came running. His master arrived last, his face dark with disappointment. He looked at Iron and shook his head. The proud tone was gone. The hunters took their bows again and went after the boar, leaving the old dog behind. Iron tried to stand, but his legs failed him. The forest was quiet now. He lay there for a while, listening to the birds, smelling the wet earth. When the hunters returned at sunset, their hands empty, the master found Iron waiting by the campfire. The old dog's eyes still shone, though his body was weak. He lifted his head slightly as if to say, "I tried." His tail moved once, tired but loyal. The master knelt beside him, finally silent. For the first time he saw not failure but time's gentle hand. How it takes away power but leaves behind dignity. Days passed. Iron no longer joined the hunts. He rested near the door, watching the sunrise over the hills. Sometimes young dogs would run past him, full of strength and pride, and Iron would wag his tail, not in envy but in peace. He had lived his battles, earned his scars, and now understood something deeper than glory. In the end, when his eyes closed for the last time, the village buried him under a big oak tree near the forest. Every autumn the leaves fell softly on his grave, like memories returning home. The hunters often said the forest felt quieter since Iron was gone, as if it remembered the sound of his courage. Life has seasons just like the forest. Youth gives us strength, age gives us wisdom. We cannot fight the law of nature. Every creature must one day slow down. But the spirit, the courage, the love we show in our time, that never truly dies. The story of the old hunter dog reminds us, True worth is not only in what we can do, but in how we face what we can no longer do.